What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your social profiles on your Google Merchant account. So you want to go ahead and log into the Google Merchant Center account and then click on settings on the lower left hand side. From here, click on your business info, then click on edit business details, scroll down towards the bottom and you will find social profiles. You can go ahead and click the drop down and choose whichever you want. So if you want to add your YouTube, your Instagram, you click on that. Add your Instagram username right after that forward slash there. So in your case, I would say Drew tutorial, for example. And then from here, I will click on save and it's going to add it for me. And so that's how you basically do it. Now, this is just one. If you'd like to add more, you click on add social profile again. And you basically select another one that could be TikTok. You do the same and you just basically type whatever it is that you want. And that's pretty much it. You basically click on save again and the list goes on and on. Whenever you want to remove something, you can always go ahead and click on remove and that's it. Click on save. That's pretty much it, guys.